Having an event to attend? Well, I've got your back. Events are endless, and usually you're looking for something to wear once, and it feels so sad that you would have to pay a lot of dollars to achieve that. I was amazed by the website Baby Online Dress. They have sent me a request to review them, and they've sent me 4 beautiful dresses to pick from. And the dresses were under $100. Can you just believe that? The delivery was super fast. So the first dress I've picked is this red, gorgeous, form-fitting dress. I have picked the size a little bit bigger, and I'm losing weight currently, so it turned out to be beautiful. I'll just have to get it a little tailored, but look at how beautifully it hugs my body. It also comes with a tail. It is one shoulder, as you can see, and it's a stretchy, beautiful material. The next one I picked is this gorgeous black and gold dress, and for my surprise, this gold is actually sewn in beads. It's beautiful. It's also form-fitting, and it also has a tail to it. It comes in various colors, as you can see. I chose the black so that it's more versatile. The top part is transparent, actually, but as you can see, it's transparent and covered with these beautiful golden beads. The gold is like a champagne gold of sort. It looks super rich, and I really, really love how it actually fits the body. This one, the sizing is pretty correct, so don't worry about that. The next dress is this beautiful form-fitting dress, corset style from the back. It is like with shoulders, like it shows the shoulders, and at the same time, as you can see, it has beads from the front bust area, and it also has lace covering it. It feels super rich on, and the form fitting is beautiful. It's even supported with this corset like bones. I don't know what you call them, those metal pieces. And from the back, you actually wrap it on, so it fits you beautifully. All the dresses comes with these pads in them, so you don't need to even wear a bra with them. That's how beautiful they are.
I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it.
The next and the last dress is beautiful if you have your own engagement or you want something soft and beautiful. This one is also sewn in beautiful florals with beads on them. It's a little bit transparent and it is backless, so you need special bra for that. I'm wearing my own bra underneath because I'm a heavy busted girl, but aside from that, look at the material, how beautiful it is. I picked the silver color, but I think also the pinkish nude color would be lovely for an engagement as well. Those are the dresses. I hope you guys like how they look. As you can see, the fitting is amazing. How they look is amazing. I'm pretty much surprised with the company, and I really verify that you can get the items from them. I'll link down below the 4 dresses for you. So, see me in my next video. Happy life, booze. Bye.